Do you want to know how you can log into your USPS payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your USPS payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for USPS Epayroll. Now scroll a bit down and click on this link which is over here, and then it will take you to the official login page of USPS Payroll. Write down your username or your email address on the first box. Then go to the password box and write down your password associated with your account. After you write down your password, make sure your username and password is associated with your USPS Epayroll account, and after that click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign into your account on USPS Payroll. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the link for you to retrieve your username or to recover your password once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.